you can use that as evidence. Is it just about the sand? Because if you're saying sandstorm in your first sentence, that means the whole paragraph has to be about a sandstorm. So you could say something, Raj, I know you were thinking of this. The setting affects the content of the story because Angel is stuck in the desert and is struggling to survive. Do I say what his problem is exactly? What are his problems, Faraz? Which one of them? His phone died. What's another one? Daniela. I mean, my phone might have just died, but I'm not worried about survival right now. What else besides the phone dying? Is that it? You don't have water. Anything else? Phone's dead. Doesn't have water. Abner. He's lost. Those are three things. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to find the evidence. How many pieces of evidence do you need? And you're going to explain why that would be a conflict. So if you're giving me, Faraj, an example, and you find a piece of evidence, by the way, any evidence that you find, what should you do when you cite that evidence? Excel. Put quotes. If you don't put quotes, I'm not going to count it as a correct answer because you're stealing the answer without giving credit to the author. Wow. So, quotes around anything that you directly take from copying and pasting.
So you guys, if like we reviewed on the board, I wrote what's going on with Angel at this current time. So while you're writing, you can remember in case you lose the idea. Number one, you told us his phone's dead. Number two, he does not have access to water. Okay? And Mr. Rattel, there was a number three.
Which was?
What was number three? Who could remind me?
He was lost.
This is me doing lost. Yeah. So he was lost, no phone, no water, probably no snacks, but we didn't mention it. And your job right now, ladies and gentlemen, is a two-parter. Because we have a double period. Now, let me explain what we're going to be doing. You're going to do this, we're going to grade this one. We don't grade all of them, we're grading this one. You're going to do this T. And if I'm going to say, like, to begin with, and I find a line in here talking about water, all I have to do to explain is talk about why not having water would be a conflict. If I talk about being lost in the desert to explain, all I'm going to do is talk about why being lost in this desert would be a conflict. Yes, I'm going to use his word, but when I explain it, all I'm doing is I'm always going to go back to my topic sentence. So I'm going to use that. What was the line that you said? The setting affects the content of the story because Angel is trapped in the desert. Is that what you said? I like it. And you don't have to use this, but I like it. By the way, I didn't put a period. Oh no! When can I fix this? When? Because underneath, I need to have a paragraph with how many periods in it? There's 6 periods. And I need to make sure before a piece of evidence, I have what? Transition words. I don't know if we talked about this, but these are also 7 words that you should never start a sentence with. We call it slabo or slabao. You can pick how you would do it. 7 words. Don't like to have that because or well. Now, when you're doing academic writing, if you're writing your own little story, that's okay. You can use all this. It's up to you. You're getting paid for it especially. But when we write our paragraphs, don't use any of those words first for your sentence. Start the sentence. A lot of rules I know are coming out. You're getting used to all this. Okay, one more thing before somebody explains to me what we're doing.